Hi everyone, Karim here. So in our assignment 2, we are supposed to log into our test website, then come to the dashboard page and validate it, then click on customers, again click on add customer, which will land into this page which has a form, and here we can validate with the add contact. Then we fill up the form and hit save. After saving, we will create an account for that form. Then we can see if it's created or not in the list customers. So when we'll click the list customer, it will generate which one we already filled up in the form. Now let's see in the code section where we can write to execute this. So in my homework 2, I already created homeworks project. Under that, the basic concepts HW package, and I create for homework 2 class. Now under my homework 2 class, I define the global variable as WebDriver driver, and I put all my locators in the global side. So storing web element with by class. Here I put all my locators with by class and put it with the XPath. Then I create some variable with my login data, and for that form fill up I create the test data with some string variables. Then I create a method called init, which actually initialize my Chrome driver, and we go to our test login website, which is techfiles.com billing admin. Then I create the test method, which I put CRM test. Under that method, I put all my username locator and username, which I already defined globally. Then password locator, password, login locator, then clicked it. After clicking, it will supposed to land on the dashboard page. So I print out that dashboard text and validate with assert true with that element text, which will be displayed. If it goes wrong, it will show wrong page. After that, I click on the customers locator, then add customers, which will land on the add contact page. So I validate the add contact as well. This time I put it under assert equals. If it does not match, it will show the wrong page. After that, I go to the form fill up page. But here is one problem. When we hit submit button after one name and try to run it again, it shows the name already exists. That's why I create a random class object rand and generate some random number. So I put that random number concat with my full name. So every time when I run the code, it will generate the same name but with some extension random number. Then we select the company name drop down by select cell 1 object. Then as usual I fill up the form, but this time as well email locator I put the extension number before, and for phone number I always change the last 4 digit of the phone number, and the other thing does not make any problem, so it goes as it is. As I put this test data here, like take my whatever it is, it will show every time. Then finally there is another drop down, that is country name drop down. I put it select under cell 2 object. Then I click the save button. Then I go to the list customer locator and clicked it. Before clicking it, I wait some second to see which registered name is there so I can compare with it. Now let's run the code and see what happens. Go to dashboard, add customer, add contact, filling up the form. It makes tech mac 9287, and when it click the list customers we find tech mac 9287, so which is successful. Let's see the Selenium here, it's all green, successful. As we validate and see the dashboard and end contact, it prints here. So that's all for homework 2.